Yo! We are starting off the day with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and our first order is going to be a Taco Bell. This one is going 4.5 miles.
Hey, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points?
Yeah, check out the window, but we need drop potatoes. We need to wait maybe 5 or 10 minutes, okay?
Don't know if you could hear the guy, but I guess we're waiting 5 to 10 minutes for some cheesy potatoes. Thank you. Well, that was definitely a 5 to 10 minute wait. It says leave at the end of driveway. That's a first, but okay. Saves me a couple dozen steps. And that was a no tip. So total for that one was $9. Looking like another slow day, I guess. Been about 20 minutes and still haven't gotten the next order yet. They keep offering me $5 going like 10 miles, so we wait. Finally got the next order. This is a Black Rock coffee going 4.5 miles.
That's the one.
Yep, thank you. Total for that order was $7. Next up, we've got a high mileage stack going to the same person. We've got Black Rock Coffee and IHOP going about 9 miles. It might be a little bit less. I think the GPS is a little funky on this route. Thank you.
Yes, have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Total for that one was $20. Okay, that was worth it. Yeah, that was pretty good. And we got the next order right away. This is Joe Brown's Cafe going just under 2 miles. This one is probably not going to be worth it because probably not going to be a tip on it.
Morning.
Morning. I had a
John?
yeah.
Okay, there you are.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
Okay, there was a tip on it. Total for that one was $6. And next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one's going less than 2 miles. Hand it to me. Oh boy.
Calls may be monitored and recorded by DoorDash and service providers for quality.
I don't got all day. No tip on that one. Total was $4. And we got the next order right away. This is a stack going to the same person. We've got Black Rock Coffee and McDonald's. This is going 5.5 miles.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Okay, there we go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. This one's gotta be a no tip. I can already feel it. Oh, never mind. I take it back. I actually feel like that is gonna be a pretty good tip. I feel it in my soul. Total for that one was $13 and change. I got this order as soon as I was at the light for it, so this one's probably not gonna be ready unless it's just been sitting there for a while, but we've got a Muchas Gracias going less than 3 miles. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too. Total for that order was just under $10. Next up, we've got a Seize the Bagel. This one is $13 going 6 miles. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one's $11, going 6 miles, 2 items. Just got the next order. I'm pretty sure I got the last order in this exact same spot. But this next order is a McDonald's. This one is kind of high mileage. It's going 8 miles.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
Thank you.
Total for that order was $10. Not very good. That was not worth it because high mileage and I'm also pretty far away from my zone. Okay, I made it back into my zone and still no orders, so I'm guessing it's just slowed down, which means I'm probably just gonna call it here. Current time is 9:59. Current total, we are at 103 and we're waiting on 1 Uber tip, which should bring it up to like 106, 107. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.